'08 Honda Civic. How high will new aftermarket strut raise the car up? Let's take a look. We're doing front struts only. We got them from 1A Auto. They are the TRQs. Complete. Air pressure in the tires are the same. We want to call that 27 inches to the paint. And this is on the right front, and only the right front new strut has been installed. The struts we're replacing are OEMs. They had 110,000 miles on them. Now let's go look at the left side, which is an OEM strut. Okay, we're looking at the left front, the driver's side. We're looking right at about 26 1/4, maybe 5/16. So we're going to call that right at 3/4 of an inch higher with the new strut. We'll go ahead and slap on the new one on this side, and we'll double check it and see if we come up with 27.2. We should. And then we'll drive it a few miles and see if it settles any. Okay, we just installed the new left front strut. The other side, remember, was a 27. So the end result is we're setting somewhere between 11/16 and 3/4 of an inch higher with the new struts. Now let's take it down the road a few miles and come back and see if we get any settlement whatsoever. Be right back. Okay, we went up the road about 5 miles and back, a mix between state highway and some county roads. But the county roads, they were all blacktop, some hills and dips, no rough roads. So let's see how much is settled. This was an even 27. Okay, we're setting at 26 1/2. 26 1/2 on the right front. Now the left front is showing us 26 1/4. My guess is it will settle and move around a little bit over the next 100 to 300 miles. It's really hard to say, but I think when it gets around 26 inches, give or take 1/8 of an inch, it's all going to settle out. The car drives and handles like a dream. The only issue I had with the old struts was it was hitting bumps way too hard. They was actually bottoming out. Here's the old struts. No leakage at all. The driving and ride was okay unless you got on a rough road. Then it was hitting bumps way too hard. Let's look at the other one. Dry, both of them dry all the way around. Any leaking should show up in here. That looks like a wet spot, but it's not. It's a wear spot from the rubber boot hitting it. The rubber boot would shine on it like that and kind of polish it up. Not bad for 110,000 miles. They just got a little rough. Hey, thanks for watching. Drive safe out there.